listen. Okay, we'll get to that point, but don't put your hands behind your back. She's pregnant. We're gonna have to cuff her in the front.
All right, look at me.
Okay.
And listen to me, baby. I am going to be there.
15, I'll be on a male and a female in the parking lot.
Are you alright?
Hey, don't move. So, no, we got a call about fraudulent checks.
Okay.
So, what we're going to do is we're going to head back over here and get it figured out. Do you hear me?
Alright, yeah, she was just catching
That's fine, I'm pregnant. I need to get food.
We're going to head over here.
Come on, babe.
I'm coming, I'm just hungry.
And don't even try to run off or anything.
I'm not running, so I'm pregnant.
Okay.
You can't detain me if I'm pregnant.
Actually, I can detain you if you're pregnant.
You're alright. You
I
just
didn't
tried to
do
pass your
anything
chicken.
wrong.
But here.
You didn't do anything. You didn't do anything, babe. You didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything.
So, okay, but here, let's head inside.
You're alright, babe. Listen, they just want to talk to you about the check.
Okay, but I didn't do anything wrong.
Right, okay, so listen, duh, that's what I'm saying, babe. Watch yourself.
Ow.
Sorry, watch yourself. You gotta talk to you about the job. You're alright. She's alright, right?
My stomach.
Well, that's what we're trying to figure out.
Right.
So,
Somebody,
Where do I go?
919
What do you want to
West
say?
Rover.
let's just go back to the office over here.
We were trying to get you.
Is this the office you guys are sitting in?
This one.
Okay.
You should be alright, babe.
I just farted. I'm sorry. I'm pregnant.
Hey, can you tell us what's going on?
Could you explain to me what's going on, sir?
Okay. Do either of you guys have driver's license or some form of ID?
I have ID.
Where is it?
Right. You should be fine, babe. You just have to
I didn't even need to. It's just my work check, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I did.
Where's your ID?
I don't have one.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
All she tried to do was cash her work check. We don't know anything else. We were waiting. She was like, okay, we're gonna leave because it's taking too long. And she's hungry, and she sometimes gets like impatient.
Okay, well, I'm
impatient.
What's your last name?
Mine?
Yeah.
Babe, you're alright.
Middle initial?
You're okay, babe. I'm telling you. Shh, relax.
Okay.
Relax.
Alright, so your name is Americas?
Yes, sir.
Baby, you're okay. You didn't do anything.
I know, but it just hurts my belly because I didn't do anything.
Alright. Well, here, we're going to try to get this all figured out and everything like that. Alright, so we're going to try to get this figured out, okay?
Alright.
But because of what's being claimed,
Right.
Have you both been arrested before?
No, I've never been.
Okay.
I mean, I've been arrested, but it was just.
Okay, have you been read your Miranda rights before?
Yeah. Are we going to jail? Am I going to jail? Is she going to jail? What's going
I mean,
on?
I didn't do anything. I was
So-
just trying to get some food.
Okay, so here. I thought the other officer was here, but
Can you explain to us?
Yes,
okay.
please.
So here, I'll read you your Miranda rights first, then I'll explain to you what's going on. Okay.
All
All right. So you have the right to remain
I
silent.
didn't do anything. Listen,
So hey,
listen,
here,
babe.
this is gonna pertain to you both.
Right,
Okay,
listen,
since you're
babe.
both here, you're her present with you
All
while
you
you're
gotta
being
do is
questioned.
listen.
Oh, here we go. No, you're good.
You're good, babe.
There's two of them. That's the only reason why I haven't cuffed them.
My belly hurt.
They were getting ready to hop in the vehicle, leave, make contact with them, have them both come back
I don't
in.
even have a vehicle.
Then,
You're right.
where you guys were going?
To go get food for my baby.
Okay. And so, yeah. So, I'll go back to reading you your Miranda rights. We'll figure out what's going on, okay? But based on what is being claimed, that's where we're at right now, okay?
What's being claimed?
So here, I'll read you your Miranda rights first and we'll talk about it, okay?
All right, just listen.
And will be used against you in the court of
You
law.
understand that?
You have the right to make any statements.
Right?
Do you understand each of these rights as I have explained?
Right.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?
We just want to know what's going on.
So having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?
You want to speak with us?
I just want to know.
It pertains to you both. Do you wish to speak with me?
I just want to know what's going on.
Do you wish to speak with me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So the checks that are being written, they're claiming are fraud.
Okay. And how is that?
And so one, the numbers are not accurate, whatever the account numbers are on them. Also, someone here earlier came in with this similar fraudulent check trying to deposit as well. So unless you can prove to me that this is actually from your job and this is how you're getting paid, the thing is, right now, they are saying they're fraudulent checks trying to be deposited.
Okay, we she, as being the check holder, had no idea about none of that. She didn't even know if it was being flagged. The dude was taking too long to cash a check, and
I don't know. This is my first time cashing.
I'm here for
I don't even know what's going on.
But you said it's from work, but
I just got a. I'm 18. I just got a job. I just started my life. I'm having a baby. This is also new to me.
just
so if the check is fraudulent.
I don't
so
have to
where is
cash
it?
I'm
Where is it
sorry.
that you gotta calm down?
You told him.
So
exactly
where is it that you work?
I work at the plasma, at the CDL plasma. That's where I work.
Okay. Is there any way they can confirm the check is actually from them?
We
Because
have-
right now it's being flagged as.
This is the first time this happens. Like you guys.
And I'm going to tell you right now, it's very similar to the check that a female tried to deposit from a whole nother company. But as far as the image and everything,
But I don't know
we
what's
don't know how
going
to-
on. It was in my mailbox and I opened it this
we
morning
don't
and I
know,
came to
we don't know how to.
I live at the Hay Meadow apartment, so we walked here. This is where I live. I just live down the street.
and you got 2 checks from them.
Just one.
Just one. I only got one from the mail.
On July 11, 2025, officers responded to a credit union investigating a fraudulent check. The bodycam footage that followed raises 4 interconnected legal questions worth examining. The first concerns the threshold for detention. Under the Supreme Court's decision in Terry v. Ohio, officers may detain a person on reasonable articulable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot. Credit union staff reported a pattern of fraudulent check presentations earlier the same day, with the present subjects offering a similar instrument. This satisfies reasonable suspicion comfortably, and arguably approaches probable cause from the outset. The second issue concerns Miranda. The Supreme Court held in Miranda v. Arizona that custodial interrogation requires advisement of rights, and any waiver must be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. 2 procedural problems appear here. The warning was administered amid persistent interruptions and visible distress, and a single recitation was directed at 2 co-detainees simultaneously. Neither defect is automatically fatal, but together they create real exposure to a future suppression motion.
Okay.
You okay, man?
Here. Can you guys just stand by with them real quick?
No, I just opened my mail. I never did anything
You
wrong.
didn't do anything wrong, babe. You didn't do anything. Babe, you didn't know anything, babe. You didn't do anything. Oh, you alright?
Yeah. I just wanted to keep food.
It's okay, babe. You didn't know. Hey, look, listen to me. Look at me. You didn't know. So you already told him, and that's it. You didn't know, okay?
How long have you worked at the plasma center for?
Like, I'm not even sure, like a month or 2, like not that long. I didn't do anything in a big funeral. Just want to lay down and eat my food.
You're okay, babe.
Alright, so, here, can you stand up for me?
Can I go to the hospital?
So, hey, you say you're pregnant?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you stand up for me?
I'm right here, babe. I'm right here. Hey, listen, look at me.
Can I
Look at me.
go to the hospital?
Hold on,
Just,
listen to
you
me.
No,
just
I
gotta
need to go
listen.
to the hospital.
Okay, we'll get to that
Look
point,
at me,
but
look at me,
don't
look
put your
at
hands
me.
behind your back. She's
Look at
she's
me.
pregnant. We're gonna have to cuff her in the front.
All right, look at me.
Okay.
Hey, listen to me, babe. I am going to be there. You said you didn't know, did nobody know?
I didn't
So,
do
it's
anything.
all right, you okay? Look at me. Have I ever left you?
I didn't do anything.
Babe, have I ever left you? Look at me. Have I ever left you? We ain't gonna start doing that now.
I need to go to the hospital. My
Hey,
stomach
if
hurts.
anything happens on the way there, they'll take you to the
Here,
hospital.
can you just
babe.
escort?
It's okay.
Can you go ahead and escort her?
it's
He's
all
already
right,
called code 2 medics. So
What's up, man?
okay. So right now we're gonna go ahead and run you. An officer is gonna go ahead and run you. I need you to just tell me what's going on, because the first thing I'm gonna tell you right now is that the first check that she tried to deposit from CSL, they do not have anybody who works there with that name.
I'm not for sure what you mean. All I know is that
Okay, please.
all I know is that I came in here with her to cash her check, and they were taking too long, and she wanted to leave.
Okay, so
And we rushed.
so you're telling me you don't know anything about the checks?
Hell no. If I did, I would never came in here with her. Never would have. We know, like I'm legitimately not aware of the check being fraudulent or not.
Did you see her pull checks out of the mail or anything like that? As if
I
they
mean,
were mailed
she
to
checks
her?
her mailbox daily, and
But did you see her pull them out the mail?
I'm not, no,
Okay.
not for sure.
Now tell me the truth. Does she work at CSO?
She works.
She works.
She
but
works.
does she work at the
Wherever
plasma
she
center?
wherever she works, that's unfamiliar to me. I just visit. You
Okay,
know?
so you don't even know where she actually works. Okay.
I'm not for sure. I just didn't want her to, feel like she was being left doing everything alone. So I assisted her and came in. But like she was gonna get food after this, and she said that she got her check today, and that's what happened.
Okay.
Other than that, I'm not aware of anything else. You know what's gonna happen with her?
So she's most likely going to be arrested for writing for a fraudulent check, trying to deposit bad checks.
Okay.
Or fraudulent checks. So,
So we got to go to court for this.
she will have to.
Okay, and so how do we get the situation resolved with
Here, does it come back?
But, so it seems like there's an incident from last year that we talked to you about. So
incident?
yeah. So we're just gonna. It's easier to get out of here and let people continue their business.
Yeah, you want to step outside?
Yeah.
You say about an incident
Yes. That's,
pertaining to?
I will explain further. I have to look at it. I'm not even sure. I wasn't an officer on it.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, I'm gonna
just stand up.
I ain't gonna run. I ain't gonna do nothing.
Yeah, you're gonna. It's gonna.
I'm not gonna run.
I understand that. Let him put it in here.
I'm putting my phone in my pocket.
Fine.
Am I being detained right
Correct. So we can talk to you about.
Yeah.
If I knew more about it, I'd let you know. But
now? Yeah, I don't have any warrants though, do I?
No.
No.
I need to go to the hospital.
The third issue is the most consequential. Under the Supreme Court's decision in Estelle versus Gamble, deliberate indifference to a detainee's serious medical needs violates the Constitution and exposes officers to civil liability under Federal Section 1983. A pregnant detainee complaining of abdominal pain and reporting vomiting plainly satisfies the serious medical need threshold. The supervising officer's categorical instruction never to deny an ambulance is a direct application of this standard. The fourth issue concerns investigative sequencing. Confirming the probable cause foundation through investigation prior to arrest reduces false arrest exposure under federal civil rights law and strengthens the prosecution's case. On the substantive forgery charge, the central evidentiary element is intent to defraud knowing the instrument to be false. Employer denial of any record of the subject's employment provides strong circumstantial evidence supporting that mental state.
My stomach hurts.
You're okay. I'll be honest with you, I really don't know what's going on right now. I just
Bro,
got
I didn't even do anything. I'm pregnant. I just opened my check and I just came to cash up and get food. That's literally it.
Now this shit happened. So
Were you guys here? Are you guys here earlier?
no, I don't remember coming there earlier because I wasn't there.
Okay.
But so you saying situation?
The thing is, they've already come. The SEPQ here already called Plasma Center, but that's where she is saying she worked, and that's where she got the check from. They already said they don't have anybody who works there with that name.
Okay.
That's already been confirmed, and then they got another check that they still investigating, but she already just a couple of days ago deposited a check.
that was fraudulent. Okay.
Yeah, it sounds like she actually got money for it, but they haven't called, so we won't worry about that one. It sounds like it might still be a SEPQ thing since SEPQ has that information, but I'm just gonna go get final information. But yeah, she's gonna be under arrest for fraud.
Fraud?
Yeah.
She's probably lying about her name.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna guess probably lying about her name. We'll follow her to the hospital.
It sounds like Blaine has something on this guy.
He got 49.
Oh, okay. As of right now, it sounds like she might be lying about her name, so.
Well, there was no photo that popped up with her, and I was going to look at her booking record to see if anything came up. I mean, does her ID, is it...
Yeah, ID says America. Just trying to make sure it's not a fake ID, but...
So he had a 2024 June domestic.
When you ran her name, it did pull up?
Comes up, yeah. They
I
do
wonder,
not have her there, is that correct, as an employee?
Yes. So, no, she is not an employee there. There's only one America that works there.
America or Americas?
America.
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 Well, if there's not an Americas, then I think you're fine.
Yeah.
But you cannot go off of what these people say. They f it up all the time. You gotta call the company or something.
Yeah, she's the one cashing it, and then she tried that other copy that you saw is completely different. It was Heartland.
Yeah.
That she tried to cash, and then yesterday she cashed a whole check from a whole nother company.
She told me, because I asked in that room, how long you worked at the plasma place for? She's like, I don't know, a month or two? She told him she just started.
Oh, she said about a month. She said that she hadn't got paid yet. Read Miranda to both of them and sitting there.
Yeah.
And, and she's bawling in there, making a scene.
Yeah, so he's gonna go on domestic, and
Is she the victim?
No, it's a ex-girl, but he knows who I'm talking about and everything. So I'm just gonna fill out booking, and then if he's not going for fraud, then I'm just gonna call for the WAG, and then.
Yeah, he's not going for fraud. Do not ever deny them an ambulance. Okay. I think this is a legitimate forgery. I just didn't like the way he handled it. I want steps. This is me. I want steps done before I arrest them. And they just, now we're doing them after, which is okay. There's probable cause to put somebody in handcuffs. I don't have an issue with that. You know what I mean? It's fine, but it better be legit. That's all I guess I'm trying to say. So I'm trying to get on him. Like, you need to do this. You need to do these steps now. Because he says that they called and said, no, there's somebody that works here by that name. And then when I came out, he goes, yeah, there's an America that works there. I'm like, what? You know what I mean? It's like, I was not going to have you take this because he was dug well too deep into it already. I'm like, well, he's at it. He's taking this. I didn't like how he did that. So.
Turning to grades, the primary officer receives a C+. The detention rested on a sound legal foundation. The front cuffing of the pregnant subject reflects modern best practice, and verbal de-escalation was sustained. However, the Mirandization environment, the arrest before confirmation sequencing, and the need for supervisory prompting on medical care collectively weigh against a higher mark. The supervising officer earns a B+ for substantively correct real-time field critique. The female subject receives a C-. The underlying conduct supports the charge filed, and her continuous voluntary statements undermined her own waiver analysis and her counsel's later position. The male subject earns a B- principally for compliance and consistency. 3 lessons emerge. For officers, complete the investigative steps that establish probable cause before effecting an arrest. Deliver Miranda warnings in conditions that allow comprehension, and treat medical complaints as a constitutional default. For citizens, the right to remain silent must be affirmatively invoked, not merely possessed, and protestations of innocence are not a substitute for requesting counsel. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.